The Philips LatteGo 3200 Series EP3246 Coffee Maker uses indicator lights on its front panel to communicate system status and potential issues. When multiple lights start blinking, it usually means the machine needs attention, such as refilling water, reseating the brew group, or clearing a blockage. These alerts are part of the machine's safety system designed to prevent brewing problems. By checking the most common areas, you can quickly identify the cause and restore normal operation. Try these. Step 1. Check the water tank and refill it if it's empty, making sure it's properly seated back in the machine. Step 2. Remove the brew group from the side compartment and rinse it under warm water, then reinstall it securely. Step 3. Inspect the coffee grounds container and drip tray, empty them, and slide them back into place. Step 4. Ensure the LatteGo milk system and coffee chute are clean and free of blockages. Step 5. Turn the machine off for about 30 seconds, power it back on, and confirm the blinking lights have stopped.